What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So in this video I want to solve this trigonometric equation, which is 2 times sine theta times secant theta minus 2 root 2 sine theta equals to 0. I need to factor sine theta here. It's going to be 2 secant theta minus 2 root 2 equals to 0. So I have it in factored form. Now we have two scenarios. One scenario is when sine theta equals to 0, and the other one when 2 secant theta minus 2 root 2 equals to 0, which makes it 2 secant theta equals to 2 root 2, or secant theta becomes root 2, and secant is inverse of cosine, so it means that cosine theta equals to 1 over root 2. When sine theta is 0, it means that theta can be 0, pi, and 2 pi. And when cosine theta is 1 over root 2, theta can be pi over 4 based on the special angles. And the second answer is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 4. So that's pi over 4, and here it's going to be 2 pi minus pi over 4. So 2 pi minus pi over 4, then it will be, then all the numbers are going to be 0, pi over 4, pi, 2 pi minus pi over 4 is going to be 7 pi over 4, and 2 pi. So these are going to be the 5 answers. In terms of radian, if you want to write in terms of degrees, it's going to be 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees. This one is going to be 315 degrees and 360 degrees. So these are the five answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, just leave me a comment and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related playlists in the description area. In case you need extra help and extra practice question, you can take a look to this description. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.